Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so first of all, I want to make a shout out to Kama Living from Niger State and Eniola Aremu from Badagry. So today's video, I'll be teaching us how to make weaving all back. So first, you can start by dividing the middle into two. Then you can start from any angle you want, and you're going to part the hair first. You're going to part the size if you want to do a big all back or small all back, anyhow you want to do it, whatever way. So after cutting it, you have to comb it. After combing it, you have to apply cream or oil to the hair and to your hand too, so you'll be able to make the hair well. Then now you're going to pick the hair step by step. You're going to just do two one two, very easy. You just keep picking the hair, keep going inside, keep picking the hair, and that's how you do till you get to the end. Then the end, you just, that's the easiest part. You're just going to plait it like you're braiding it. So that's what we're going to do for the whole all back, and that's how to do all back. Very easy and very simple. So you're just going to cut the hair first, you comb it, you add your oil or your cream to it, then you keep taking it one by one, one by one, one by one, inside each other. One, two, one, two. I make sure your hand is tight so you do a neat job after everything. So that's just all for today's video. So please watch to the end of the video. Thank you. If you're joining us for the first time, I'm Impressed Blessing Basi. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you for always coming back to check out our channel. We love you. And please don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment, please. And don't forget to share. So now we've come to the end of the video, and now we're just using gel to style the hair. If you have edge control, you can use edge control to do that. So I hope at the end of this video now, I hope by now you're able to like make your own all back, even if it's not neat, and mine is not that neat too, but at least we tried because we're not professionals. But I hope by now you'll be able to make your own all back too. Thank you for staying with us on today's channel. Please don't forget to check out our other videos. We have so many contents. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.